$28,000. That is the absolute critical price point right now for Bitcoin. It's the potential target for our relief rally. It's a major area of price resistance, and it's an area that if we can conquer that, well, we might start getting very excited about what's happening in the markets. In today's video, I want to break down why $28,000 is such an important level for Bitcoin. My name's Lark. I make videos talking about investing. If you do like the talk, make sure to subscribe to the channel and just a little tap on the thumbs up button to show your appreciation for this kind of content. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Now we're going to be taking a look at the weekly charts in today's video. As we see currently, Bitcoin is ramping up its efforts to try and get back over the 200-week simple moving average, the blue line on the chart here, for a weekly close. Now look, we still have over 4 days until a weekly close comes in. A lot can happen in that time. But if we close this candle body above this blue line here, I think that gives a lot of hope to bulls in this market that we could be moving towards at least a strong relief rally for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin can bring in a strong relief rally, getting us up to $28,000, which, by the way, before we talk about why it's an important level, just to give you a bit of reference, $28,000 is another 20% away for Bitcoin. That's a significant move for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up 20%, some of your altcoins are going to go up 50 to 100%. Some of the low caps might even go up a couple 100% in such a move. So it's a very, very significant move that we're talking about potentially coming in here for Bitcoin. So hopefully we see this weekly candle actually closing above this blue line right here. That would be very encouraging. Basically, any time that Bitcoin has traded on or under the 200-week simple moving average has been a buying opportunity in this market. If we just go back and have a quick glance at history here, March 2020, mega buying opportunity. Here we go. December 2018, mega buying opportunity. February 2019, mega buying opportunity. But also an interesting point to point out here is that we actually saw a double test of the 200-week simple moving average in the 2018 bear market. Something similar could easily happen in this bear market, where we see, for example, the price rally up to $28,000, maybe $30,000, and then come back down to retest the blue line. Just when everyone's getting mega bearish, mega bullish, going mega long, super excited, blammo, the market smashes back down and screws everybody once again, as the market can definitely do sometimes. Again, if we go even further back into history, we can see once again a double tap back in 2015 on the 200-week simple moving average, and just incredible buying opportunities at these levels. Now, does that mean to run out and go all in? No, I have not been going all in personally. I guess you're going to do what you're going to do with your money, but I have not been going all in. I have been definitely accumulating throughout this entire time, though, and it's felt great. And look, if we go lower, well, I'll just accumulate more. And you might say, oh gosh, Lark, you always have money to accumulate. Yeah, that's called having an income. It's called, having taken some nice profits during the bull run, right? So you got to have powder and the chips, right, if you want to take advantage of these kind of situations. And that also involves being consistent with your defense of your cash position. The mistake a lot of people make is they go all in at the first dip, or, okay, I'm going to go all in at the second dip, and they blow their cash wad way too quickly. You need to be very defensive with it, and that's what I've done. I've been consistently putting money into the market, but at any given week, I haven't been putting in like 20% or anything like that. I'm putting in very small amounts on a weekly basis, but consistently doing so. I think that's, for me anyway, has been an important way to be investing during this time right here. This has been an incredible moment on the charts for Bitcoin. Anyway, let's talk about $28,000 and why it is such an important level here for Bitcoin. We can take the 200-week off there just to clean the charts up a little bit here for you. So, have a look here. Let's draw a line on here. We actually have seen $28,000 be a very, very important level many times before. We'll just go ahead and draw that right about there. So as you can see, back here, May, $28,000, we hit the bottom there. If we come back into July 2021, again, $28,000. come back into the big correction that came in here in January 21. Everybody was freaking out back then. I remember that. That was a fun time. Came back down to $28,000 after having surged to a new all-time high of $42,000. Crazy times. Oh, look over here. On the way up, we also had a candle topping out here at $28,000. So we've had a lot of support, particularly in this $28,000 range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weekly candles in the $28,000 range. 6, sorry, actually another one right here. So we've had a lot of candles coming right down to that range. And I'm not saying exactly $28,000, $28,300, $28,600, $28,900. These candles have ended up in different places. But you can see a lot of price support historically has come in at that price level in that $28,000 to $29,000 range. So that would then be the major area we would want to watch for moving back up, because it's an area that is likely to provide price resistance, right? So as we start pushing the price back up, this is the area where Bitcoin is most likely to have a real struggle trying to get back over it. So if we can conquer the $28,000 level, things then get very, very interesting, because that starts bringing us closer to this. This orange line right here, this is our downtrend. Once we crack back over this, we will have essentially broken the downtrend. Now, I don't know when that's going to happen. We could have fake outs. We could have a breakout of the downtrend, but maybe not a reclaiming of this high here at $48,000. So maybe we just get another lower high coming in. That's a very, very possible situation that could come even if we do break that orange line. So we'll have to, of course, reevaluate with see what the charts are doing, see what the indicators are doing, see what kind of volume we're getting if we do break across that orange line. But certainly, if we could get over $28,000 with some volume, that would provide, I think, a lot of just super excitement in the markets. And by that point, people will be going, wow, it's real now. You know, this is the new bull run, et cetera, et cetera. But until proven otherwise, this is just a bear market rally, which is very exciting. It's a great time to take profits, a great time to be longing stuff, getting ready to short stuff on the way back down. Always opportunities for traders in this market, of course. But just keep your expectations in check here, right? This is the big area we're looking at, is 20% above the current price right now, getting up to $28,000. That could be a major, major area of price resistance here for Bitcoin. And then, of course, we have to contest with the orange line here, the downtrend line around $32,000 currently. So we'll see how all that ends up playing out. But I think we could be heading for some decent price action, of course, assuming that the market doesn't melt down over the earnings reports coming in from the stock markets over the next couple of weeks here, or that we don't see the Fed interest rate hikes doing something unexpected and the market freaks out once again. But you can see here, we are coming up to a potential bullish crossover here on the MACD on the weekly. Now, if we do get that crossover, it could signal a very big potential here for a solid market rally to come in for Bitcoin. The stochastic RSI also on an uptrend here that could indicate more movement coming in for Bitcoin. So these indicators are helping to show us that we're moving in the right direction for a potential good relief rally for the market. So pretty exciting times for Bitcoin investors. By the way, if you are a cryptocurrency trader, you want to trade Bitcoin, you want to trade Ethereum, all of the top altcoins, whether on Bybit's super popular futures markets or on their super popular spot markets, the 7th biggest spot exchange in the world, well, then you should come over here to Bybit, get yourself an account, use the link down below in the description, get 30% off of your trading fees and up to $4,100 in deposit bonuses. So do go ahead and check that out. Anyway, what do you think? Is $28,000 actually going to be this important area of price resistance? Are we even going to get to $28,000 on this current relief rally, or are we all just going to get our expectations just shattered down way before that? Next stop, 10K. Let me know your opinion down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.